Local news for Monday the 9th of October. Top Kiwi reggae soul band The Black Seeds will return to the Wairarapa next year to headline a summer concert in Masterton. They'll headline the concert to be held at Trust House Memorial Park on Friday the 9th of February. The band will be supported by Auckland-based The Kings. And voting is open for the Meadow Fresh New Zealand Cafe of the Year. This year's regional winners included Clearville Bakery and Cafe, who took out the regional award for Best Rural Cafe. And well done to Michael Clogue, who recently made the finals of the Farmers Mill Great New Zealand Bread Bake-Off. And Labour's Kira McAnulty has been confirmed as a Member of Parliament, with the special votes counted and in on the weekend. McAnulty will join Ron Mark and Alistair Scott in Parliament. And in sport, the Farriers Wairarapa Bush gave competition leaders South Canterbury a fright on Saturday in Timaru at Alpine Energy Stadium. The Bush boys led 17-12 at half-time before going down 29-20.